So as you all can see, we are discussing the comet of chapter practical geometry. In that, question number 1 of comet is saying that you have been given a big triangle, and inside that big triangle there are 4 small triangles. And if you will see in that triangle, there are many angles which are drawn. Okay. Now question number 1 is asking you have to, it is telling that you have to study the figure and answer these questions. And सबसे पहला वाला question is telling triangle AEF. It is talking about triangle AEF is a which kind of triangle it is asking now. अगर आप triangle AEF देखेंगे बेटा, so you will find that one angle is given 30, another angle is not given only, which is looking like a acute angle, and in between you can find that angle E is having a mark, and that mark is representing 90 degree. So 90 degree means right angle, and a triangle which is having one right angle in it, that triangle is known as right angled triangle. So the first answer would be right angled triangle. Now second question is telling here that angle ADB, एंगल ADB. अब अगर आप गौर से देखोगे बेटा, जो ADB ट्राइंगल है वो ओपन दिख रहा है, वो हमें ओपन दिख रहा है, और द एंगल विच इज ओपन इन द कंडीशन दैट इज नोन एज ऑब्ट्यूस एंगल ट्राइंगल. ऐसा एंगल जो ओपन रहता है दैट इज नोन एज ऑब्ट्यूस ट्राइंगल. तो सेकेंड आंसर वुड बी एंगल ADB इज एन ऑब्ट्यूस एंगल. ठीक है, सेकेंड वाला हो जाएगा ऑब्ट्यूस. देन क्वेश्चन नंबर थर्ड इज टेलिंग हियर एंगल AED. नाउ यू विल सी दैट आई हैव टॉट यू दैट स्ट्रेट एंगल. अब आप गौर से देखो कि जो एंगल AEF है और AED है, ये दोनों मिलकर एक स्ट्रेट एंगल बना रहे हैं, जिसमें से एक पार्ट 90 है, तो दूसरा पार्ट कौन सा हो जाएगा बेटा? दूसरा पार्ट कितना हो जाएगा? इफ दो एंगल है, दोनों एंगल का सम आ रहा है 180, एक है 90, तो दूसरा कितना हो जाएगा? Here angle AED would be 90 degree. Question number 3, the answer would be 90 degree. So again repeating, question number 1 I said right angled triangle. Question number 2 I said it is obtuse angle. Question number 3 I said it is 90 degree. And angle Y पूछ रहा है. Now see angle Y कैसे निकलेगा? You know that in a triangle तीनों एंगल का सम मिलाकर के ऑलवेज कम 180 डिग्री. ठीक है, इन अ ट्राइंगल ऑल द एंगल ऑफ अ ट्राइंगल मेक 180 डिग्री एज अ सम. अब देखो, एक है 90, दूसरा है 30 एंड तीसरा है गायब. अगेन टेलिंग, एक है 90, एक है 30 एंड तीसरा है गायब. तो यू शुड just adjust a value of y in such a way that the whole sum should be 180 degree. Absolutely, it would be 90 30 मिला करके हो जाएगा 120, and 180 में से जब आप 120 माइनस करोगे you will get it 60 only. ठीक है, the answer would be only 60 degree. ठीक है, so the last question number 4 will be 60 degree. It is saying that an angle which cannot be drawn by using ruler and compass is. So remember, the angle which cannot be drawn with the help of ruler and compass is 80 degree. Other rest all angles can be drawn with the help of compass and ruler except 80 degree. Now question number 2, instrument used to draw any angle is protractor, scale, compass, protector. With the help of compass you can only draw few angles. With the help of compass you can draw only few angles. With the help of ruler you will only draw 90 degree, 0 degree, straight angle, something like that. But with the help of protector you can draw any angle. Okay, so here if you have to draw all the angle you only have one option, that is protector. Okay, this answer would be that magnitude of an angle does not depend on the length of the arms. Now bisected angle of 60-degree measures. Tell me.
30 degree.
30 degree is the bisected angle of 60 degree. So set square having the measurement 45, 90, 45. So these are the homework part of questions which are true and false, and which are false we have to make it correct again. So the first one is with a compass angle 67.5 cannot be constructed. So it will be false. 67.5 can be constructed with a compass by bisecting 135 degree. First one. Second one, two lines are perpendicular if the angle between them is 90 degree. So this one would be false and the correct statement will be 90 degree aa jayega. Baki pura statement correct hai. Then moving on to bisected angle of 60 degree measures 15 degree. False. It will be false. Why false? Because 60 degree ka half will be 30 degree, not 15. Then twice of 22 and half is 45 degree. Yes, it's true. So no need to correct it. It is already correct. Now, if a line segment of 7 centimeter is bisected, then the measure of each bisected line segment is 3.4. It's false because measure of each bisected line segment will be 3.5 centimeter, not 3.4. Then half of a straight angle measures 90 degree. True. Half of a straight angle measures 90 degree only. Now, in a complete angle matlab 360 degree, 5 right angles are there. False. There are 4 right angles. Okay. Now, moving on to question number 2. Construct the following angle using compass 135 and 150. Now, you must be knowing I have taught you very thoroughly how to draw 135 and how to draw 150. I'm giving you 5 minutes of time. Please draw it and show to me through your opening video. When you draw many circles with the help of one center only, then those circles are called concentric circle. CONCENTRIC, concentric circle. When many circles are drawn with the help of one center only, that is called concentric circles. Now today let me tell you how to draw those. That question it is telling that you have to draw a circle of 3 centimeter radius and then you have to draw the concentric circle inside this only. How will you draw concentric circle beta? आप इसी सेंटर को लीजिए. Center will not be changed. Center will be this only and open your compass little bit. ठीक है? Don't take it full radius. And with this only just take another one circle. अब अगर आप चाहो तो उससे ज्यादा बड़ा भी ले सकते हो और अगर आप चाहो तो उससे कम भी ले सकते हो. Please remember this. Finished. Now you can draw many inside it. जरूरी नहीं आप इतना ही ड्रॉ करो, आप और भी बना सकते हो. जितने concentric circle चाहे आप उतने बना सकते हैं. Now look at here with this center only. See. 3 circles we have drawn it now. Now you can do as many you want. See.
We can take it above that radius of 3 centimeter also.
Yes, you can take. You can take it surely. But remember center वही होना चाहिए बेटा. See, we have drawn 4 circles through one center only. And remember these all circles are known as concentric circles. ठीक है? So question number 4 में भी यही करना है. And one more question which I left with, that also the same only. So today we have completed the whole comet.